Let's take a look at adding a media widget to our iBooks author file. Media widget can be either a video or an audio file. So in order to add it, we can simply drag and drop it from our desktop or some Finder window that's open. Or I can go to my widget drop-down menu and select the media widget. And when I do that, I'm going to get my little widget window to pop up here, and it's going to tell me I can just drag a movie or an audio file in there. Notice that it also brings up my widget inspector. And now if I've been creating videos in QuickTime and saving them to my iTunes or somewhere on my computer, I can just go over here to my media browser and select that media browser and find any audio files, photos, or movies. So in this case, I'm just going to go into my movie selection and I'm going to drag a movie over and drop it into that widget window. When I first do that, I'll get this little window that says optimizing the movie. So iBooks Author has a nice little compressor built into it that helps optimize those movies. Now, there's a difference here. All the videos that you've been viewing in this book so far have been streamed from YouTube. This video is embedded, so it does not need an internet connection, and you can view it offline. So that is one of the powerful features of iBooks Author, especially for our students that might not have internet connection. However, it does raise an issue of file size. So if you're going to have a very media-rich interactive book, then you want to be careful to limit the size of those books. So just something to keep in mind as you're constructing your book. But here we go. We have our video, and again, I can resize this widget. I can move it around on my page. I can choose a different poster frame if I wanted this image to be what my book looked like when students first opened it up. I'm just going to send this back to the beginning here. If I wanted it to be viewed in full screen only, I could do that and check that off. If I wanted the option to view it in full screen or just view it right as it is, I can leave it like that. If I wanted to preview the video, I could watch it here by clicking on the controls. And let's go over to our layout. Again, I can change the top and the bottom, how that looks, I can keep a title or take it away. Notice that it's set to movie now because it recognized that it was a video file. I can choose to add a caption or take that off, background, so on and so forth. And again, my accessibility descriptions that I should add in there for those users using the voiceover. So those are just some different ways that I can add my video in, and now you're set to go.